Hi there viewers, just got a short video on a car I brought. It is an XY Falcon 1972 model. I got it out of a barn, or like Australians like to call them, sheds, at the back of this house. It hasn't been on the road since 2007, I believe. It looks like a GT, but it's actually a GS. It's factory 4-speed. It's got a 9-inch, but I believe that was put in later. A mildly worked 351 engine. What else to tell you about it? It's it's had a lot of unfortunately rats decided they wanted to live under the bonnet and stuff, but doesn't appear to be any damage inside the car. The interior isn't too bad. It's as it was when it was brought, except that is a Fairlane rear seat, I believe, as it would have had the Falcon GS 500 rear seat. Body's not too bad. A little bit of rust here and there. It's got the globe wheels. Yeah, it's been made up to look like a GT. It's got the GT rear chrome and boot spoiler. That chrome strip there. The car was originally dual green with a white roof. That's how it came out of the factory.
Got one more wheel, done.
In the late 80s, he decided to paint it red and put the GT stuff on it. So before then, it was green with a 6-cylinder 250 engine. You can see there it's had a little bit of a GT makeover, but that was a long time ago. Motor hasn't done much work, so since it was put in, it was rebuilt and put in back then, so hopefully it's all good.